I am Mr. J, and it's Wednesday, middle of the week. Wednesday, June the 15th, 2022. Today is the bad news. I've been trying to find good news this week, but I can only find bad news. I tried very hard, but here we go. As U.S. Fed decision looms, Kospi sinks below 2,500. Do you know what the Kospi is? Kospi is just, you can think of it as a way of knowing the strength of Korea's economy. So it went above 2,500 like a couple years ago, which meant that the economy was doing well. But now that it's going below 2,500, that means that it's very bad. It's very bad for the economy, and there's some sort of a problem. And a lot of the time, the U.S., what happens in the U.S. affects Korea money-wise and the economy, right? Economically. So because of that, what's happening in the U.S. right now, and other things, the Kospi's gone below 2,500, which is very bad news for Korea. You don't want to have this low. You want it to be higher, I think. So, I don't know. If you were like Wei Gugin, if you're a foreigner and you want to buy pieces of Korea for cheap, then you might think it's good. So maybe it's debatable. But for Koreans here in Korea, it's probably not a good thing, right? Anyways, all right, let's go on to our weather. How's the weather today and tomorrow?
It's 22 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 23 and a low of 19. It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 24 and a low of 19.
That's good. Apparently, it was supposed to be raining this week, but it looks like there's less rain than expected, so I guess that's a good thing. Good, unless you're a farmer and you want rain, but for me, anyways, it's good. All right, today's word.
Credulous.
Credulous. What does it mean? It's sort of hard to translate, but I think you can go with this. Okay, all right? So a credulous person will believe things, right? Very easily.
Credulous.
1, 2, 3 syllables with emphasis on the first. Let's practice with lus. Credulous. Okay, let's see.
Credulous.
All right. We talked about Janminun credulous. We talked about the Kospi going below 2,500, which is, I think, bad if you're in Korea. Might be good if you're out. Maybe debatable. I don't know. And then we talked about the weather, which is less rainy than we thought. So also a good thing, probably. All right, guys. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.